Greetings everybody, it's the boy Jamal and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm gonna get right into it. So today I'm cutting down this overgrown tree, and the owner wanted me to cut it down. I guess they don't want to deal with all the leaf is all over the place in the fall. So the vines take over the whole entire tree. See me there kind of struggling to actually I'm struggling to get the after cut the the stick of the tree. um Literally have to pull like really hard to get it out. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing right there. And but anyway guys, tell me what you think about this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and your family, and stick around to the very end. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so come on guys, let's go. I'm out for